Alright, hello once again YouTube. So today I will be replacing the charging port on my PlayStation controller. So essentially the ribbon, the ribbon connections got worn out and I bought a new one. So this one you can see it's brand new. And then if I were to plug in my controller, it's not lighting up, so I know there's something wrong with the charging ribbon. I'll open up and show you guys. Alright, so I've taken apart my controller here, and as you can see, the ribbon, it's like completely gone. Like there's no metal, it's all been stripped off. Whereas if we were to compare it with a new one, right, you can see the difference. So that's what I'll be replacing. So to get started, we would need to unscrew these two. Alright, so after these two have been unscrewed, you want to lift up these two pieces, okay? And then the next step, you want to remove these two pieces of like sticky foam. So you essentially just want to remove this transparent piece, and then this light bar also comes off, and then there's two screws here which you need to unscrew. So that's one. Oh shit. That's one. Here's the other. Okay. So after that's unscrewed, this piece should just be able to come off. Right. And then I'm gonna keep the black tape on this one since it's held down by screws anyway. But I know for a fact this charging board, it's functional. It's the main problem, the ribbon, like I said. But I'm gonna take this ribbon off, and then I'll keep like the charging board in case another controller has like maybe like a loose connection here or something. So I'll put that to the side. And then we're at this step where we grab our new piece, and then we screw these on. All right, so it's been screwed on now, as you can see. So now we're gonna put on this transparent piece first. Okay, so that snaps into place, and then we put this piece back. Okay, just press it down like so. Nice. Okay, now we put on this white piece, which goes like that, and then this black piece, which goes on like, wait, no, like, yeah, like that, right? Okay, and then there's just these two screws which we need to put back in, so I'll go ahead and do that. Alright, so now that I screwed these two back on, it's time to connect this piece, right, this ribbon, onto here. Okay, so the way that we want to do it is we want this blue face to be facing like the outside of the controller. So essentially you want it, you want it to look like that. You want to plug it in this way. So just imagine the blue face facing the outside of the controller. All right, so I got it. Are you guys able to see? So you guys can see the blue, right? That tiny bit of blue. That's how you want the end result to look like, okay? So now that I did that, we wanna put this back starting from the top. So we go like that, right? And then we just want to close it, okay? So hold on, just want to wait, oh Jesus, oh my, oh God, I broke something, I swear. Okay, let's see if it charges now. I really hope it does. Oh God. Oh my, it works. There's a yellow light, it's charging. Oh my God, okay. All right. So yeah, that's pretty much how you fix the charging board, or if you have like a faulty ribbon, that's how you do it. All right, I'm gonna go play some FIFA because I haven't played in 5 months. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.